10 nutrition tips for better health and longevity.
Number 1. Include protein with every meal. Including some protein with every meal can help balance blood sugar. Some studies suggest higher protein diets can be beneficial for type 2 diabetes. Other research indicates balancing blood sugar can support weight management and cardiovascular health. Number 2. Eat a rainbow. The saying, "Eat a rainbow," helps remind people to eat different colored fruits and vegetables. Varying the color of plant foods means that someone gets a wide variety of antioxidants beneficial to health, for example, carotenoids and anthocyanins. Number 3. Eat your greens. Dark green leafy vegetables are a great source of nutrition, according to the Department of Agriculture, USDA. Leafy greens are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The USDA suggests that folate in leafy greens may help protect against cancer, while vitamin K helps prevent osteoporosis. Number 4. Eat nuts. According to the AHA, eating 1 serving of nuts daily in place of red or processed meat, French fries, or dessert may benefit health and prevent long-term weight gain. The AHA suggests that Brazil nuts, in particular, may help someone feel fuller and stabilize their blood sugar.
Number 5. Try beans and pulses. Beans and pulses are a good source of protein for people on a plant-based diet. However, those who eat meat can eat them on a few meat-free days a week. Beans and pulses also contain beneficial fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Some source even says pulses may help people feel fuller and lose weight. Number 6. Use extra virgin olive oil. As part of the Mediterranean diet, extra virgin olive oil has benefits to the heart, blood pressure, and weight, according to a 2018 health report. A person can include extra virgin olive oil in the diet by adding it to salads or vegetables or cooking food at low temperatures. Number 7. Eat oily fish. According to research, omega-3 fatty acids in oily fish are essential for cell signaling, gene expression, and brain and eye development. Some studies indicate that omega-3 fatty acids can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Other research suggests the anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 may effectively manage the early stages of degenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease.
Nutrition tips for what to drink.
Number 8. Drink water.
Water. Drinking enough water every day is good for overall health and can help manage body weight, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. Drinking water can prevent dehydration, which can be a particular risk for older adults. If someone does not like plain water, they can add some citrus slices and mint leaves to increase the appeal, or drink herbal teas.
Number 9. Enjoy coffee. A 2017 study suggests that moderate coffee consumption of 3 to 5 cups a day can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, cardiovascular diseases. According to the same review, the recommended amount reduces to 2 cups per day for pregnant and lactating people. Number 10. Drink herbal teas. According to research, catechins in green, black, and other herbal teas may have antimicrobial properties. Herbal teas, such as mint, chamomile, and rooibos, are caffeine-free and help keep someone hydrated throughout the day. Nutrition is an essential part of health, and people can start leading a healthful lifestyle by making small changes to their diet. It is also important to remember other key aspects of health, such as exercise and activity, stress strategies, and adequate sleep.